Good morning and namaste. In this video, we will look at the in-depth options available with LogoBug in QiPress. So, what's a LogoBug? LogoBug is a small image that is usually displayed on the top right or top left of a TV screen of the TV channel. You can do the same on your computer screen. This is useful when you're doing, for example, live streaming and you want your audience to see that. Uh, of course, a lot of this live streaming software allows that. Also, that if you're doing a live demonstration, you can have it on the screen, on your monitor or your large screen, projector screen that might be displayed. So here are the options. Right now, you don't see the LogoBug. I'm just going to turn it on. Here's the LogoBug and enable. So there's the LogoBug that you see over here. Now, as you can see, it's a click-through component, which means I won't accidentally change its position. Now let's look at the various options of LogoBug. I'll go into the LogoBug settings. And these settings can also be directly reached once you enter the settings, the LogoBug on the left side. As you can see, it's enabled right now. We just enabled it. And here are the two tabs used to customize LogoBug. The appearance part is I can select the logo. Let's say I'll select this one right now. And then I can select the size. Let's say I want it 50% of its original size. And then I can rotate it. We'll see those options a little bit later. Position, I can manually set the position of this by turning off the click-through option. Let me demonstrate that. And here's the LogoBug. And now I can drag it anywhere that I want. Let's say I'll put it here besides my on-screen display, and then I can right click on it as well and turn off the click-through, and now I can drag it anywhere. Let's look at some other options on the LogoBug. So let me change the size back to 100% of its original size, and then I can rotate it by let's say 45 degrees. And that's it. Right. So these are the options that you can use to display your company's logo or your own logo on the screen. Also, one thing to note is that, as you can also see, is that it supports transparencies of a PNG image. So you might find this very useful in your live demonstrations. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.